With Ren AI and Microsoft Teams, you can ask business questions in plain English, right where your team already works. Here we're asking when customers tend to place orders, and Ren instantly returns a chart showing peak purchase hours. You can go deeper too. Ask Ren to generate a full analysis, like this customer satisfaction report. When it completes, you can see the full analysis with sections. It breaks down delivery performance, product categories, and sentiment themes in seconds. No SQL, no dashboards, no switching tools. And if you want to see how it got there, just open the thinking process view. Ren shows you the exact SQL it generated, so your team can trust and verify every answer. That's it. That's how Ren helps you in your everyday task. Thanks for watching.